this, my dears. So fresh after the rain.
It smells lovely, Grandma.
Reorganization, we pick some more. You are doing very well, my dear.
It feels so smooth now.
When can we eat it? Carefully fold the edges now, like this.
Look, it's perfect. I want that one.
I did it! You both did such a good job. They are perfect. And so the little firefly, despite the rain, found its way back to the golden mango tree. The rain brings stories from the fields. Look how the little paper boats brave the waters, sailing to distant lands. Here are the rice cakes, fresh from the pot. Wow. Thank you, they look wonderful, Dida. So green and fresh. The rain was good to you.
Here are the lentils.
Thank you, Grandma. It looks delicious.